How's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys. And today what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo test with the Ausdom M06 Bluetooth headphones. So pretty much what we're gonna do is like the title implies. I'm gonna put these headphones on my head like you see it here. We're gonna do it stock. We're gonna adjust it to comfortable. I'm gonna let you guys see how they look. Then I'm gonna give y'all a sound demo. Y'all can see my lapel CQ clip-on microphone is right here. Then we're gonna wrap the video up. So without further ado, let me make sure these are adjusted back to stock. So there we go. You can see it's not adjusted in any form. Slap them on my head. And then this is how they would fit out the box. And to be honest with you guys, this is the most comfortable fit for me. So you can see this is one side. Now I apologize because black doesn't show up too well on camera. This is the other side. And you can see they're over the ear, not on ear. That's another style I prefer. I like the over the ear because I like how it fits snug to my head. And it also helps to cancel out some of the outside noise. So again, this is what they look stock out of the box. This is what they look like. All right, now let's go ahead and adjust them. Right up here. I guess y'all can see. So this will do it. That's one side. That's the other side. Alright. So now they're nice and adjusted here, so you can see again. Looks good, feels good. Good stuff. So that's what they look like. Now let's go ahead and get to the sound demo here. So you can see in the background, I got these guys hooked up to my Amazon Fire 10 HD tablet. They're already maxed out to 100% volume. So now, here we go. I'm gonna just push play and I'm gonna hold up the mic as close to the headphones as possible, and we're gonna see what we can pick up. So enjoy, guys and gals. And let's push play. Make sure it's maxed out. Alright, it sounds really good at max volume. Let me hold it up to the mic now. Okay, now let me hold them away from the mic. I'm gonna see how much leakage we pick up. So right about here, it's a pretty good distance away. And you know, guys, I can hear a lot of leakage, but keep in mind this is at 100% volume, and I'm sure that if you turn it down to like 50 or 75, you won't be able to hear as much. So let's go ahead and just demo that real quick. Turn this down to like 75%. Right about there. Yeah, you can still kind of hear leakage, but it's not as noticeable now. And I'm pretty sure if I go down to 50%, only I'm going to be able to hear it. So let me just demo that real quickly. Again, 75% volume. And you can barely hear the sound leakage. Now let's go to 50%. Oh yeah, in terms of leakage, that's like a whisper now. Let me throw them back on my head and see how they sound here. Oh, they sound good. So this would be the volume that I would keep it at. And you know, this is the volume that I continue to keep them at. It sounds pretty good. Throw them back up. Alright, so that should pretty much do it for this video, guys and gals. Alright. Again, I hope you guys and gals have enjoyed this real quick fit and sound demo of the Ausdom M06 Bluetooth headphones. If you guys and gals did enjoy the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, because you don't really know what's going to happen when I push record, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. Okay? As always, all links to where to purchase these headphones will be down below in the video description, as well as a link to the full review of these headphones if you guys would like to know more. And yeah, that about does it. I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace. Oh, also, this whole video was recorded using the 13 megapixel camera on the rear and the 5 megapixel camera on the front of the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 at 1080p, 30 frames a second. This is in dual camera mode. So please let me know how the video looks, and please let me know how the audio sounds. Alright, now I'm out of here. I hope everyone has a great day. Peace.